If you'd like to see what kind of food I eat on 7 days of the Weight Watcher Blue Plan that I've used to lose 126 pounds, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm doing a video of 7 days of meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now it is a restart week, so don't have a lot of desserts. I mostly have fruits or vegetables that I may or may not have tracked, because sometimes I just forget to track the fruit that I eat. I'll just grab it as I'm walking by. But I did include the points for the meals that I had. So if you'd like to see what I eat in a week on the Weight Watcher Blue Plan, be sure to come along and follow me on this video. I got my water gallon filled, my coffee, and my Apple Watch. Let's go get started on a good week. I started out this week working out at the gym. My daughter was showing me some ways to use weights, and all I had for breakfast was an iced coffee. So I just got back from working out at the gym today, and we stopped at a place called Hothead Burritos. It's pretty similar to Chipotle, so that's what I'm gonna have for lunch, and I'm gonna track the points just like I would at Chipotle. I haven't eaten anything yet today. I just drank water and had 2 iced coffees, so that is it. So I'm going to have the I'm going to have the Hothead Burritos. I had rice, I have chicken, I have mixed vegetables, and that's what I'm having. Here's my lunch from Hothead Burritos. Some squash, corn, tomatoes, fajita vegetables, rice, light cheese, light sour cream, and some chicken. I'm gonna have some of these oven roasters. I have Brussels sprouts and carrots. I heard they were good, with a piece of salmon that I'm doing in the air fryer. These vegetables are 2 points for 1.5 cups. And there's my dinner for day 1 of this week. I'm having a salmon with a pesto sauce for 3 points, and the grilled Brussels sprouts and carrots for 2 points. So that dinner is going to be 5 points. I made them both in the air fryer at 390 degrees for about 15 minutes. This is going to be my snack for the night. I'm going to have a banana and a plum, and that will be it for day 1 of my restart. Stoke cold brew coffee. I pour it over ice. And then for the creamer, I use some Cafe Latte Premier Protein. Here's my day 2 lunch. I'm having some rotisserie chicken that I got from Costco, and that is 0 points because I just breast meat. And then I have grilled some zucchini with onions and put a little sprinkle of Italian seasoning and Parmesan cheese. And that is my 0 point lunch. I'm about to take a ride to Meijer's to get some more groceries, and I'm having a Kirkland chocolate chip soft and chewy granola bar for 4 points to tide me over till dinner. Here's my dinner for tonight. I have 2 grilled pork chops. They're 4 points each. Some of the rice I bought at Trader Joe's, which is 6 points for a cup, and then an ear of corn. So that is going to be a 14-point dinner. I'm having a 0 point after dinner dessert or snack. I'm having some cotton candy grapes and some sweet cherries, and that is 0 points. If you never had cotton candy grapes before, they're very good, but they're very expensive. But I bought some. I haven't had them in probably a year or so. So that's my snack. For breakfast, I made an English muffin that I had for 2 points. It's a 647. I have a piece of turkey sausage from Johnsonville, and then I put a little bit of cheese on the bottom so it melts. And then I'm going to top that with an egg I fried up, and I'm topping it with the other half of the English muffin. And that is my breakfast. It's McDonald's dupe. And I'm also having some berries on the side. Yummy breakfast. And now I'm going to go garage sailing. In line at Dunkin' Donuts, I got an iced coffee with extra low-fat milk, skim milk, and 2 sweet and lows. So I'm going to count that as 1 point. And that will be my beverage for this morning that I just had my breakfast, which was really good. And now I'm going to garage sales, see if I can get any deals or bargains. Talk to you later. For lunch, I'm having a bowl of white chicken chili that I had frozen in the freezer. It is 1 point per serving. And I'm having 29 good thin corn chips to go with it for 2 points. So that is going to be my 3-point lunch. For dinner, I'm browning some of these chicken sausages from Trader Joe's. They are a sweet Italian sausage. They're 3 points a piece. And I'm going to brown them with some peppers and onions. And I'm going to cook a light rotini. These are half the points of regular pasta. They're by Fiber Gourmet. And then I'm going to use this Just Sauce Turkey Bolognese, which is 4 points per half a cup. So that's what I'm going to have for dinner tonight. I cut up 1 Vidalia onion and a green pepper, an orange pepper, and a yellow pepper. And I'm going to cook those together. I'm going to cover it and cook it until the peppers are tender. And I have the noodles boiling and the sauce is in the microwave defrosting. And then I will put it together and show you what I'm having. Okay, here's my dinner. I have 2 pieces of the sausage, so that's going to be 6 points. 1 point of the Trader Joe's light mozzarella cheese for 1 point. Then I have 3 points worth of the pasta and 2 points worth of the sauce. So that is going to be an 11-point dinner. And it is looking good. For today's breakfast, I'm having a toasted bagel thin. It's an everything bagel. I topped it with 1 tablespoon of Trader Joe's light cream cheese and some extra everything but the bagel seasoning. I'm having a mandarin orange or cutie and an iced coffee. So this will be 1 point for the iced coffee. It's a Stoke coffee with premier protein, so it's 1 point. 3 points for the bagel thin. 1 tablespoon of cream cheese is 1 point. So that is a 5-point breakfast. And now I'm going to go do some fishing. Here we go, out on a day of fishing. Hopefully we'll catch some walleye. You never know. Enjoying a mandarin orange out on the lake. It is a nice warm day, and this is a nice, cool, refreshing 0-point snack. Hopefully I'll bring you some fish pictures here. No fish for us today. Looks like I'm going to be making some chicken. Stay tuned. For lunch, I'm having 2 pieces of 45-calorie delightful white bread, and I topped it with 1 tablespoon of peanut butter for 3 points, and 1 tablespoon of sugar-free Polliner jelly for 0 points. And then I will put the bread, make the sandwich together. So that sandwich is going to be 5 points. I'm also having a bowl of watermelon, so that will be my lunch for today. Here's my dinner for tonight. Since we didn't catch any fish, I made a tray full of creamy white enchiladas. I will link the recipe above. Those enchiladas are only 5 points for 2. They're made with low-fat cream of chicken soup and low-fat sour cream and no-fat cheddar cheese. And I have some vegetable melange from Trader Joe's. And then I made some rice pilaf. So the enchiladas are 5 points. The vegetable melange is only 1 point. And the rice is 4 points worth. So that is a 10-point meal, and it is so yummy. Getting some steps in tonight. It's a beautiful evening, so I'm just taking a walk. Got my Apple Watch, tracking an outdoor walk. It's part of my day. I had this bottle of a classic sparkling ice lemonade, 0 sugar, 0 points. And I just added a drop of this sugar-free strawberry syrup in it to give it a strawberry lemonade. And it is really good. Little trick I just tried. I'm going to end this summery day with a Hello Sunshine Light and Fit yogurt in the lemon meringue flavor. This is 2 points. So that's going to be it for today's meals. This yogurt is nice and creamy. It's very lemony. It would be really good, I think, with some graham cracker crumbs sprinkled on top, or maybe even a little bit of fat-free Cool Whip. Starting the day off with a walk. It's a beautiful day, a little hot, but I thought I'd get some steps in the morning, knock off some of those steps for my 10,000 goal before I have breakfast. For today's breakfast, I made 2 pieces of Sara Lee's delightful 45-calorie bread for 2 points, and I have 1 piece of Johnsonville turkey sausage for 2 points, so that's 4 points for that. And then I'm going to top it with some of the sugar-free maple syrup, and that is going to be a 4-point breakfast. And it is yummy. You can have just about anything you want at Weight Watchers as long as you make the right choices. At the mall food court, choosing not to eat anything here. I will have something at home. Doing good. For lunch, I'm having Just Bare chicken nuggets that I bought at Costco with the sugar-free G. Hughes Polynesian sauce. So that is going to be my lunch today. My dinner tonight is French onion chicken bake with some rice and broccoli. I've made this before in a video. I'll link it above, and it's based on a recipe by Pound Dropper, and I will post that in the description box. So it is really good. It's a French onions chicken bake, like I said. It's easy to make, and it is really tasty. So that's my dinner. It is 1 point for the chicken, 6 points for the rice, and 0 points for the broccoli. I snuck in a snack of a piece of sugar-free candy tonight. We went to a flea market this morning, and I saw some big homegrown tomatoes, so I decided to make a BLT sandwich. I used 3 slices of the fully cooked bacon for 2 points, and 1 tablespoon of light Miracle Whip for 1 point, and 2 pieces of delightful bread for 2 points. So the sandwich is 5 points, and then I air fried some sweet potato fries for 3 points. So that is an 8-point lunch. When I was little, I used to eat just tomato sandwiches. I always liked those with fresh grown tomatoes, so I just added the bacon. Yummy lunch. We went to a bowling party today. There was pizza, but I didn't have any. I chose to have some vegetables with ranch dressing. So was willpower. Here's my Sunday dinner, some mashed potatoes, corn, and roast beef with gravy. The mashed potatoes are 5 points, the corn is 0, and the roast beef is 4. And then 1 point for the gravy. So that's what we ate today for dinner. For my breakfast, I air fried one Trader Joe's hash brown patty, and then I'm going to sprinkle it with a little bit of the Kinder's seasoning, the blend. It's salt, pepper, and garlic. And then I'm going to top it with 2 fried eggs. And that is 4 points for the hash brown patty and 0 points for the eggs. I thought I'd come on to say hi. I'm having an iced coffee with my breakfast that I ate. That air fried Trader Joe's hash brown potato was really good. It was crunchy, and then I put the eggs on top of it, which I cooked about medium, and it was a nice tasty breakfast. And today it's a pretty hot day, and I'm going golfing this afternoon. So that's my plans for the day. Get some exercise in that way, and I'll be back for lunch. Have a great day. Here's a quick lunch. I have some fat-free refried beans on a 1-point tortilla, and I'm going to sprinkle about a 1/4 cup of Trader Joe's shredded light cheese blend, and then I will top it with another tortilla, and I will brown it up and cut it in half and serve it with some light sour cream for lunch. There is a yummy lunch. It is a bean and cheese quesadilla, and I toasted it, and I have some light sour cream. So that is going to be 4 points for lunch. Tonight's dinner, I have a 6 points worth of rice, and I have meatballs. Those are 3 points for the 5 meatballs, and some carrots that I sprayed some butter spray on. And that is my dinner for tonight. The meatballs I made out of 99% fat-free turkey plus the 96% ground beef. I had some watermelon, and also at golf I had some pretzels that I forgot to take a picture. Please comment below if you like this kind of video with 7 days of meals. So I like to be sure to include them every once in a while. Be sure to check out the description box below if you want to check out any recipes for the meals that I made. Also, please comment if there's any meals that you're going to try. So that's going to be it for my 7 days of Weight Watcher Blue Plan meals. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.